Oh, now we're at the academy. Okay, so the order has changed. I guess the monsters are based where you're at, or based on where you're at.
Okay. I found 600 bucks. 600 bucks.
That was it. Oh, it's one of these.
Wait.
Oh.
I found
Weird.
$4,000.
I enjoy this motion so much.
Oh god. No! No!
Oh my god.
Fuck off, you little gnomes! Chasing me. There's gnomes in here.
Alright, you can pick them
Watch out
up.
for. Oh, that's nice.
Don't let go. You broke him!
Fuck him. Little shit. Well, once you told me I could pick him up, I figured I could eat him. Oh, it's the hourglass.
Oh god, there's two of them. Go ahead. I'm a little slow. I'll catch up.
Alright. How's it going?
Is there anything following me?
No.
Okay.
Oh
Just make
shit!
sure I
Oh
stay
shit!
alive.
Oh shit! Nana, she run! Run!
Now there
Run!
is.
The fuck?
I
Sound
love
evil
the
holding
Is
that.
there anything follow me?
Bitch.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
The way she sounds.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Where's my name?
Don't worry, no.
Don't wear it out.
There you go.
Alright. Lift.
We push. Ow.
What the
Are you
fuck?
alive?
Yeah, but what the
The
fuck?
hourglass. The hourglass exploded. The blue one.
Aww.
We still have the purple one, I think. I'm glad the propane tank didn't fucking explode. Or was that the last battle? Gotta push this bitch in there. Okay.
Fuck you.
You're so tiny.
That idiot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Does he have an axe? Oh, he's a fucking mace.
That's just so.
Oh. I think he can hear your typing.
Wretch. Freak. Bitch. Did you see how I like go by yourself? I will never find me.
No, that's the same on it.
So fatty.
Oh shit, it's still open.
Potion.
Hey, wizard robes. frog? That's not good.
Oh, well, it died.
Just be like 4 years thinking about this potion. Okay.
Can't turn this fucking thing off. There we go.
Fucking asshole.
Alright.
Fuck you. Fuck.
Oh, shit.
That was fucked up.
She
That was
died.
so fucked up.
Oh. Okay.
I thought it was just like a little ducky. Bitch fucking killed me.
Hey there, you little shit. Oh shit, I see how she died. Ah, fucking bitch! Oh, he broke the fucking door! Ah! Just leave the fuck alone. Oh, they broke some of our shit. Fuckers. I think they did, I'm not really sure. Will you fucking leave me alone? Oh my god. Should I try murdering him? Revenge! Fuck, it didn't work! Ah! Disposal right now. Oh. Wait, what? Last loser standing? What the fuck is this?
I don't know, I can't see anything. Oh shit, okay.
I don't get this, but okay. Oh, I see. Fuck.
Fuck.
We both died. Good.
Yeah. They have like some sort of mechanic, you know what I mean? It's nice.
Thankfully, we haven't gotten like a terrible seed yet. Because when I went single player, I went to the next room, the monster was immediately there, just like that.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Are you alive? What the fuck just happened? He fell over. Did he knock him over?
I don't know what I did.
Open. Don't open. Close, you bitch. Pull. Oh god. Push the button. Push the button. There's so many no's. No. Ah! There's so many. Why hasn't it shut yet? Damn it!
Oh my god! What the fuck?
It takes so long to close. Jesus Christ. Well, we can get the pocket card if we want. What the fuck is this? Oh. Jeez!
What the fuck? I wanna find the other one.
How evil are you?
Let's see how he does with that.
Fuck, I fucking knew I saw something.
You bitch.
Oh, you forced me to look? That even works.
Fine. Go the other way. Please stop breaking. Cool. Oh! You did die. I wish I revived you.
Holy
You're
shit.
back.
I fucking died to
Sad.
the face.
To what? Oh, the
The
head.
face. Yep.
Oh, okay. Do we need the
Do we
card?
have to? I don't remember.
Whatever.
I
let's
don't.
go.
How do we
Oh,
get back?
This way.
The fucking eyeball.
Oh, what the hell? Are you dead? Oh, come on.
Oh, there's a fireplace.
Oh, that's cozy. We can burn ourselves to death. We gotta be careful.
Pivot. Pivot. Motherfucker. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. No.
I'm
yeah,
against the wall.
Okay, now come out. Come here. Yeah. Don't turn it anymore. Come on.
Come on.
Push.
That's not how this works. Money. Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now we gotta turn it. Wait, turn it.
Yep.
Fucking insert the friends fucking...
We got it. Just pick it up from the bottom. Just like real life. Oh my god, our money! How do we move this bitch? There we go.
Alright, yeah, now I'm watching both. Okay.
Okay.
Gotta figure out how to do that. Oh, well, there you go.
Oh, hi there.
That was quick.
My piano. Oh wow, he's fishing the piano.
Alright, surely something's not gonna come up over here and tickle your butthole, right?
Yeah. Oh, I fell off the fucking cart. You're kidding me. Oh, not you again. You piece of shit. Leave me alone! Oh fuck.
Oh.
Now I
well,
might be dead.
There's no way.
How about... No!